How to send disappearing snap on Snapchat. Firstly, open the Snapchat application on your mobile device. Now click a snap by clicking onto the circle in the middle. Once that is done, you can see there is a timer button in the list of features at the very right. And at the very bottom of that list is a timer button. Simply click on it. Now you can modify the duration of your snap. Select how long the snap lasts before it disappears. You can select from 1 second and all the way up to 10 seconds. If you set the duration of your snap to no limit, then your snap can be saved by your friends. For now, I am going to set the duration of the snap to 1 second so that the snap disappears after 1 second of opening it. After you've selected it, simply hit the send to in the blue button and send it to your friends. And that's it. This is how you can send a disappearing snap on Snapchat. Hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.